Hey guys, this is a new survival kit and looks like very promising. It's a very nice bag. You can see that's a solid belt canvas bag. You can put it in your belt. It can easily stick there, and then on the backpack or anywhere, it have multiple things. Now I'm just opening it and see like how many things it's inside it. So here is like small thermal blanket. That is an emergency blanket you can open, and this is a torch. You have to put in the batteries. I will show you later on. This is a knife, and then other utilities to included with it. So you can see that it's a hook, and then this is a small lantern. So it is a solar lantern or like the charging one that you can put inside, and then you can charge it here. It can be a emergency charger as well. So yeah, the light is bright. Here is the small USB comes with it for its charging. And the back is a small like spoon, the fork, and then this is a small rack for that other camping utilities. This is a small chain. It also comes with a small like bracelet. So this is all things inside this small bag. This is all for good for camping and as a survival kit. So you can see it here. Yeah, so this is a bracelet also like with have the navigation inside it, and then it also have a small cutter. So as I said, like this is a torch, you can put it in the batteries here. This is a small one. This is a bezel. This is like the hook. This is like a small knife when you take it out here. So pretty cool, right? And then it can be used many ways. Small rope.